Hi, I'm going to show you how Pixeebot can help you fix GitHub Advanced Security code scanning alerts found with CodeQL. To start, you'll want to make sure you have code scanning alerts enabled and CodeQL analysis running in your repository. If you're not familiar with CodeQL or GitHub Advanced Security, take a look at the GitHub Advanced Security page on github.com for more information. Here, I have a repository with an open code scanning alert found using CodeQL. Now I'll install Pixeebot and watch what happens. We'll give Pixeebot a few minutes to do its work. And there we have it. Pixeebot has opened a pull request for us. Now, Pixeebot found the CodeQL results from GitHub Advanced Security, analyzed the repository and the reported issue, then created a pull request with suggested changes to address the code scanning alert created by GitHub Advanced Security. Now, I'm going to accept this pull request, and we'll see GitHub Advanced Security change its results. Now, with our pull request merged, and GitHub Advanced Security has reevaluated the repository, we can see that code scanning alert has been marked as closed.